Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close a Chime account. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Chime mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to hover over to the top left hand corner and you will have to click on this gear icon. Once done, you will be landed in the settings of your Chime account where you are going to see your personal details. Now right next to your personal details, you are going to see this edit button. So I simply need to tap on this edit button and after that you will be landed on the edit profile page. Now over here you just have to scroll down a bit and in the bottom you are going to see the option of close account. So I simply need to tap on close account and then you will be landed on this close my account page where you are going to see the information relating to the closure of your account. So it says that Chime will return any funds remaining in your account within 30 days via check sent to the verified mailing address we have in our records. We will retain your personal information as long as required by applicable law. Please confirm that you would like to close your account in the box below and provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. So in this section, you will have to write down that you want to close your Chime account. After that, you can also upload any image if you want to. Then you will have to press the submit request button in the bottom. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully close your Chime account permanently. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.